Dave Stanley, how you doing?
38 years. So anyway,
Hey Louise, how you doing?
traded in.
Okay, and we've got Mustangs and stuff. We got a bunch of stuff. North Carolina, Oscar, how you doing? 68 Camaro. Let's see, we'll head over here. Mustang, here, we'll head this way. Just for you, Louise. 68 Mustang. Happy Corvette Day. Yeah, we'll head back over there too. Marcelo, Argentina, how you doing? All right, Las Vegas. Hey, John. Matthews Iceberg, how you doing? Okay. There we go. There's a good set of headlights and grill to stuff in a 56 Ford F100. Just pinch the front fenders in. Mark Huntley, good morning. Wayne Benson, good morning. Scurv, good morning.
She's not allowed out right now. It's a good thing because Buddy Eddie is here today. And they play a little rough.
Turkey Rod runs still. Okay. Roberto in Italy, how you doing? Welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. We're here in Tustin, California at the Enderle Center. Tim Prevette, happy Thanksgiving to you too. It's still Thanksgiving weekend. Here we go. Nice looking little Nova wagon. Dan Garrett, morning. Lee, good morning. Jefferson Law, Brazil. Okay. No, not much done to the 32. Hey, Gina, how you doing? Good to see you're with us. I didn't work on the 32. I got an old shovelhead Harley, and I've got the thing sold, so I'm just doing some work on it to get it so it'll be a good bike for the guy. Steel Mexico. All right. Eddie, New York City. How you doing, Eddie? Okay, split window Corvette, 63 Corvette Stingray, Riverside Red. Bruno, good morning. Shiro, just caught the tag into that. Perry in Oklahoma, 55 Chevy trucks. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Pierre in Germany, how you doing? Terry, Michigan Center, loves the white. Yeah, huh? 61 Chrysler New Yorker, Bill, over there. Bat in the background, 61 Chrysler New Yorker. This takes place the last Sunday of the month and the first Sunday of the month. Okay, saddle interior, Riverside Red, saddle interior, 327 4-speed. Romania, Costel, welcome back. Dallas, Texas, dogs looking okay. India, Rishba, looks like. Ronnie, you missed it. The very first thing we were on was a fat fendered Ford, 48 Ford. We might head back over there. Okay, Chrysler letter car. Todd Hastings, good morning. 34 Ford 3 windows. Maybe we'll see. Okay. C. Okay, this would be a 392 Chrysler Hemi dual quad. This is a 1957. 58 was a D. This is a 300C. 1958 300D. And 58 was last year for Hemi. Then it went to a 413 wedge in a letter car. Chandler, Arizona. Just caught the tag in. Sergio, Brazil. Mike, okay. And let's see. Let's get her in the shade. Hey, Ken Adams. Kent, how you doing? Okay. Switzerland. Roger, Switzerland. Good morning, California time. Shane, Richard, this one's for you, man. Shane's down in Louisiana. There's a dog. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Kansas, just caught the tag in. Hey, Randy Ross, how you doing, Randy? Okay. Elaine. Yeah, we're live Saturday and Sunday. If you miss, it's because Facebook's not sending out notices to everybody every time. So C. Allen, 57, it's a 300C. 57 Chrysler 300C. Okay, 1965 Corvette convert. Kansas City. David Guzman. All right. Okay, let's see. We got a couple of Willys here. We got a Willys pickup. There's a Willys coupe. We'll get over here. Louise, check this thing out. It's got a 289, 271 horse emblem on it. Is it a K? Let's see. Let's look at the VIN. Is this thing a K? C. C. Okay, so it was a two-barrel car. And cheapest way to get a high-performance 289 is buy the emblem and stick them on your fender. All right. Bill, yeah, there's Willys. We'll walk. It's right over there. Willys pickup. Okay, 1970 Chevelle El Camino SS. It's Super Sport. SS 396. 1970 for a El Camino Super Sport SS, you had your choice of an SS 396 or an SS 454. Aloha, Juan, aloha. Austin Healey 3000 over there. There's another Willys. We're going to walk over to that Willys pickup and then we'll get back. Okay, looking at a 62 Chevy Impala Sport Coupe. That's what they called the two-door hardtops, I believe. If you wanted a bubble top in 62, you had to get a Bel Air. Joe, Detroit, how you doing? Good morning. Okay, here we go. Get back over to this Willys. Hey, Greg, Northern Michigan, how you doing? 69X XL convert. Okay, cool. Watching from Minnesota. Where's the show? Tustin, California. This is, if you just joined us, I'm John Gilbert. This is a live feed for Street Rodder Magazine. StreetRodder.com, SuperChevy.com. I'm also a tech editor on Super Chevy. Here comes a 56 Chevy Gasser pulling in. We'll watch. Tracy, how you doing? Kurt, good morning. Reno, hey, Bill. Casey, good morning. Okay, the 56 is backing in over there. Okay, here you go. A little bit of induced or enhanced little Paxton supercharger. Georgia, I just caught the tag into that. Arizona. Okay, Brad. Manitowoc, Wisconsin. I've got a Manitowoc coal burning water heater. Got to be 150,000 years old. Mark Byer, good morning, Mark. Yeah, Louise. Yeah. Parsons, okay, Parsons, Kansas. How you doing, man? This screen is pretty blacked out. West Lafayette, Indiana. Brent, okay. Tundra of Calgary. The Tundra of Calgary. Hey, how you doing, Rick? Let's head over. We got a bunch. You can look around. There's a 57 Ford ranch wagon, two-door there. There's a 57 Ford ranch wagon, two-door there. Both of them raven black. Okay. Upper Michigan. UP. Uper. All right. I got a friend that lives in Escanaba. Palm Springs. Sean, how you doing? Tim Thomas, Georgia.
It represents what General Motors and
South Africa. Vincent, how you doing?
take a look at the Nomad.
Lane, yeah, a lot of Canadians. Yeah, Ontario, Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Saskatoon, Regina. Not a province, just city. Philippines, John. How you doing? Oswego, New York, Jim.
But I thought,
Laurentian, Sound, Ontario, 57 Pontiac. Oh, Laurentian, okay.
probably.
Every once in a while, we'll get a Laurentian or we'll get a Beaumont, which is a Chevelle here. Acadian, like a Chevy too. Like Hot Rods by Dean, that 65 Acadian that Hot Rods by Dean is building. I'll bet that thing's probably on its way back up to Canada. Here's one you guys might recognize. Here's Street Rodder's Road Tour car from a few years back. I forget which year. Leroy Cellmasters, Fleet Lines, maybe. Okay. James. Okay, Lodi, California. How you doing, man? Here's another car, Street Rodder cover car. Ken Thurm's 32 two-door.
The other one I had painted for years, you know, because whoever had it before.
Festus, Missouri. Hey, David. Welcome back.
I finally get a new bottle and I can't have it. What the hell? Well, it might be the way the hose is.
Well, that's a lot of trouble to get 200 horsepower.
Straight down.
Right?
Yeah. The Road Tour pickup, Greg. Yeah. Yeah, we got that in there. The photography, that's I shot it, and Tim Burnsaw, we ganged up on that little United Pacific 32 Ford pickup. Dwayne Johnson, good morning, Dwayne. Benton, Louisiana. Hey, Todd. Independence, Missouri. Hey, Rick. Okay, let's see. Bremen, Germany. Rolf. Okay.
That's a given.
Excuse me. Okay, got some, okay, Fat Fender Woody. Here, Ronnie, here you go. And there's Tri-5 Chevy 5 or 6. Oops, excuse me. Ford F1 on the other side of it. Houston, Texas, Mike. How you doing? Now in Las Vegas. Jess used to live in Tustin. You probably recognize this then, Jess. We're right here at 17th and the 55, Newport Freeway. Tell Brian. Yeah, okay. Will do, Greg. Okay, 1954 and 55 first series, just about the same thing. 55 second series, like that over there on the other side of that Woody. The 56 gasser. Okay, we'll walk over. Oh, and there's a, what do you call that light yellow, that Mustang color? Damn, I can't remember it. Fat Fender in the crate, that's right. Falcons, Les, yeah, there's Falcons. In fact, we passed over there, there's a Falcon convert. Okay, are we seeing much caster? You want a little bit. In fact, you want a fair amount of caster on one of these things when you set them up. Okay, metal flake roof. Tempest. Okay, get up here on the grassy knoll. No, we're not in Dallas. Okay, can't remember either. Yeah, I can't remember the name of this yellow. I like this color. Damn, I got a 72 Ford F100 that's this same color. You'd think I'd be able to remember what they call it. Victor, no, canary yellow's more like French's mustard, man. It's a bright yellow. This is I forget. Okay. Hey, Vern. Good morning. Okay, here we go. Here comes it's an engine stand with wheels on it. One of them Boss Hogs, 454 rat motor and a motorcycle coming in. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. The only problem is my shovel head, he wouldn't know which way I went. Good morning. Baldwin Park. Hey, Manuel, how you doing? Camaro butternut yellow. Yeah, Camaro. And I think just a good butternut is a good description for that color, no matter if it's a Ford or Chevy. They both had it. 62 Pontiac Grand Prix. There's a 56 Chevy Nomad pulling in. Rick. Yeah, I guess the lighting it. The silly thing is the rear bumper. You don't really want it light. You want all the weight over the rear wheels. I remember a friend of my dad's, Kenny Myers. He had a '57 Chevy Gasser. He ran to Irwindale, San Gabriel, and he had lead in the rear wheel wells. Man, he put lead for weight, for traction. You don't want a mass light. Okay, we got another poncho on the other side of this 62 Grand Prix. Okay, 326 Tempest Convert. Le Mans, or Le Mans as we called them. Apache Junction, Arizona. Hey, Bob. Snowing in Missouri. Okay, maybe I should have pronounced that misery. Chicago. Okay, missed that. Edmund, good morning. Stephen, how many cars do I have? Well, I'm thinning the herd. I had 19 old pickup trucks. I'm down to 6. Okay, here's that Raven Black 57 Ford ranch wagon. Douglas. Catalinas. Yeah, I think so, man. We get a fair amount. This is an Enderle show. I'd usually be down at Balboa, but I didn't get up quite early enough. I binge watched a television show till 4 a.m. on Netflix. Look at this thing, man. This is clean. Long bed. Yeah, throw some rocks in the back. Okay. Snow in Finland. Okay, hope to have some snow in Finland. Okay. Ronnie, Hammond, Indiana, 4 inches of snow. Got it or getting it? Okay, this 57 Ford ranch wagon, this was on Street Rodder's road tour year before last. He went right up into, right on up to the Q's, right up the Syracuse show, I believe. We saw him in Pigeon Forge when we were doing Street Rodder's Triple Crown of Rodding, Shades of the Past, Hot Rod Roundup. Okay, there's a GTO. Aspen Gold, the Mustang. Okay, hey, thank you. I think I like the sound of butternut yellow better than Aspen Gold. Hugger Orange, I believe. Okay. Getting it today, Ronnie says. Okay. Douglas, this is Tustin, California. This is at the Enderle Center. Okay, cloth interior, automatic. Buenos dias, I just caught the tag into that. Sunlight or Phoenician yellow. Okay, Puerto Rico, Juan, how you doing? Welcome back. Hurry up, Minnesota. John, thanks. You're welcome. Yep, Fred, going for breakfast or maybe lunch, who knows. Okay, let's see. Somebody asked about a Falcon. Here, we'll head back over to this Futura Convert. Marty, how you doing? Val, how you doing, man? Val's in Russia. Good to see you're with us, man. Okay, there's that Boss Hog. All right. Okay, here we go. We're heading towards a 55 Chevy Nomad. It's got the eyebrows on it. Right here, call those eyebrows. Rapid Russ, okay, good. Okay, 57 Nomad. Here's what we'll do. The tailgate, 55 Nomad. These bars, 56 and 57 on the tailgate. These were a two-door hardtop station wagon. Chip Sample, good morning, man. Okay, here you go, Ronnie, 41 Ford. There's a Nova right there. We're gonna head right over to that Willys too. Okay. Sam, okay. Smyrna Beach, Florida. Got back from Turkey Run. Okay, Daytona Beach. Okay. Joe Greaves was down there shooting the Turkey Run in Daytona Beach at Daytona. Turkey, Vidat. Okay. I hope I pronounced your name wrong. Okay, here comes John, and he's probably just coming up from Balboa at Motorama Replica. 54 Nomad. Barhead, Alberta. Hey, Rick. Sale signs. Yeah, sometimes for sale. Martin Hain, good morning. Good to see you too, man. Okay.
I bought this car with me for sale. I found it at
Crappy weather. Howell, Michigan. Hey, Larry. How you doing, Larry? Okay. Larry, you know, that's a real kick. Larry's got 57 Chevys, and here we are looking at a 57 Chevy Nomad. Good to see you're with us, Larry. Phoenician yellow, springtime. You'll have to look at that later. Read that. Tom, how you doing?
John. Good.
Good. Okay. You guys recognize this 66 Corvette, Mossport green 66 Corvette. Tom, he crushed under the pressure. Everybody sold their C2 Stingrays and bought brand new Grand Sports, and that's what Tom's going to do. It's okay. And then he'll find another. If anybody's got a basket case Stingray, let us know.
Be a good project.
Yeah.
I found this.
Okay. Fresh built Nova for sale. Wow. Okay. Bill. Yeah, different names for the yellow. Ford was pretty consistent. Raven black. It was black for a long time. Corvette tuxedo black. By the time they got to the year of my Corvette, they just called it black, which is good. I'm glad they didn't call it green because it is black. 327, 3.2s on it. St. Ignace. Greg, I know I screwed that up. That's a show I've always wanted to go to. Up near Mackinac Bridge. It's not Mackinac, Mackinac. Mackinac is a hamburger with bread in the middle between the meat. Okay, Oswaldo. Okay. St. Ignace. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're going to head over. We got another 55 Nomad. There's Street Rodders Road Tour 55 Chevy Coupe. 41 Ford panel truck with a bra. I prefer braless myself. Okay, love Nomads. We got a fair amount of Nomads there too. 56 Chevy. Rob McKenna missed that. Going for the first time, Greg says. Cool. Bill. All the Nomads had eyebrows and waffle interior like a Corvette, and waffle interior only in the 55 Nomad. A 56 or 57. 57 for sure didn't have waffle, but waffle interior did exist in a Corvette until 57, I believe. Okay. Yeah, Fred, we'll see you at Carlisle. We're scheduled. I'll be covering for Vet Magazine. I'm a tech editor on Vet as well as Street Rodder and Classic Trucks, and we'll be covering Carlisle again, along with our Philadelphia connection, man, our Pennsylvania connection, our photographer John Moschiero. 59 El Camino. Yeah, here you go. I love the Ford panel. The 48. Okay, let's see. Let's head past this 59. We'll be walking past a 280 SL. These started 230 SL, 250, then 280. And then I guess the 450 SL is what superseded these. Or was it 380? I think a 450, and then they went down to a 380. Right, only the Nomads had the eyebrows, and believe it or not, we stripped it off quite a few Nomads out here. We in the customizing days. Man, there's all kinds of sun coming off this pearl yellow. Another El Camino. There's a 62 Corvette Marlboro Maroon, I believe, on the other side. This got a wood kit. These weren't wood. Factory. John Sikora, how you doing? The 39 Chevy. Yeah, there we go. I got some taillights for a 39 Chevy. New old stock. Gonna put on something. Well, oh, the Willies. We'll go back over here to Rich's Willies. Friesen, Michigan. Robert, how you doing?
Best day ever.
Missing the Franklin. Stu, Douglas. Okay. Okay, goes Bill and his 67 SS 396. See you later, Bill. Okay, see you later, Eddie. Eddie's the dog. Named him Eddie because his hair looked just like Eddie Munster. The red. Yeah, I'll turn back around. We'll get off this Healy and this 40 Ford four-door sedan and get back on that Willys. This thing, man, good sounding car. Old Boyd steering wheels, got some period piece. Look like Recaro bucket seats, LS or whatever. Recaro for sure, I'd almost bet on. Or maybe they're like out of a Porsche 911 SC. I don't remember. Okay, 40 Ford pulling through. Some flames on it. Not the ones that you gotta rip open the hood and get a fire extinguisher for, just paint. Trunks louvered, those are good for in the rain. Puerto Rico, Francisco, how you doing? Francisco Rosado, how you doing? Okay, turn back around. 1967 Corvette Stingray convert, big block, 427 side pipes. Jared, yeah, we got a little rain last week, so finally up north that fire is starting to get contained. 56 Chevy Coupe, clean. Patrick, all right. This car was shot for Street Rodder, and I think I got to try and request to see if I can write that feature. I keep forgetting to ask Brennan. Sicklerville, New Jersey. Hey, John. White interior, tuxedo black exterior. It does look like a skunk. There ain't no two ways about it. Lazy eye in the vet. Yeah, you caught that. Yep. '66 396 pulling in. It's a small block Malibu. Tom 55 two-door hardtop. Got a Nova 65 or 66 down there. Here's a 62 Corvette. The only year that the Coves didn't have a molding, have trim. Every Sunday. Jarrett, you're quite welcome. In this, Balboa's every Sunday. I didn't wake up in time for Balboa, but this is the last Sunday of the month and the first Sunday of the month. Kevin, Maryland, how you doing? Dennis, South Dakota. Yeah, we'll see you, man. The Black Hills Corvette Classic. We'll see you again. We'll all meet up there at Jerry Chevrolet. Hopefully, Chevrolet will loan us another brand new Corvette. We can put some miles on it. 30s hot rod, Ben. Yes, there is. Let's see. And Kate, if you just joined us, this will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. Okay, Little John's 57 Corvette. Next to a bump side Ford. Ronnie Freights. Here you go. Sport Custom. Mine's just a custom. Todd. Yeah, always good to have a backup. Exactly. Fred, you're quite welcome. Okay. Common is 66. I guess he's going to back in here. Oops, excuse me. Okay. Tom sold this 66, so we're giving him a bad time because he did. Because that's how we do things. He's buying brand new Corvette. Dennis, yeah, see it. Jerry's in South Dakota. Jerry Chevrolet. Back window of the Willies, yeah. All right. Hey, Harold Clay. Harold's at Harold's Hot Rod Shop, Enid, Oklahoma, and just talked to Harold via text yesterday. Shaving the firewall on my '66 Chevelle because we're going to vintage air conditioning, so we don't need all that genitalia hanging on the firewall.
No, don't want any dogs. I love them, but I'm not home enough. Oh, okay.
Just a super clean stock sedan delivery Chevy. Okay. Okay. We're on the passenger side, the 63 split window, Riverside red. Okay, let's turn around. Okay. Hey, Gil Ortiz, Edgewood, New Mexico. How you doing, man? 61 Chrysler New Yorker. This would be a 413, a wedge motor. This one thing that's cool about the Mopars with the swivel bucket seats. TJ, yeah, I had Bristol, Tennessee. TJ's in. Yeah, we had a great Thanksgiving. Thank you. I hope all of you did. Yeah, Ronnie, the shovel head is sold. It's on its way, man. Okay, ZR1 Corvette, LT5. Okay, we'll head across the way here. Well, we'll turn around and look back. Don't look back. Cudas or Chargers? Todd, I'll look. Okay, same front end, but a 62 Chrysler. Okay, San Juan, Puerto Rico. George. New York State Jim. Yeah, this weather, it's pretty good. You pay the price to live here, though, I'll tell you. Okay, old Buick Coupe, 53 Buick. Okay, black and silver, 56 Chevy, 210. Okay, Fred, you're still with us. There's a shoebox Ford. I know you get all excited about shoebox Fords. Maybe a 49. I forget how to tell them apart. Gas cap. Stuff like that's different between a 49 and a 50. Okay, shrunken steering wheel on this 56. Okay, let's see. We're getting out here in the Toolies. Yeah, that's a 49 Ford shoebox next to a 56 Ford Courier. Hey, Scott Bailey, yeah, full weekend. I'm getting in my Facebook Live so I can bill the company for my breakfast, my miles. How you doing? All right. Okay, 56 Ford F100 big window pickup. Ontario plates, there you go. From Canada, Ontario, Canada. Not driven in the winters. Man, do they rust down east. Down east, as we called it when I lived in Alberta. Okay. Let's get around, check the back. I gotta climb through the bushes here. Okay, there we go. Whoa, oh, that wasn't a good idea. Okay. Las Vegas. Steven, Las Vegas Car Show? Sure, that one, that's a big one. On the weekends, there's a McDonald's there, and they blast 50s music. There's 57 Chevy, two-door hardtop, Bel Air. I had a 57 Bel Air, just about this same blue. TJ, yeah, that's a big bush. Big old gnarly bush. Not George Bush, just a bush. 40. Bob, I'll on the way back, I'll look and see how much, and I'll read you the phone number on that shoebox. 56 Chevrolet Nomad wagon. Okay, let's see. Get on the other side. This 40 Ford. Okay, this is the one with the flames. Temp. Tom, it's got to be 70 degrees. Okay, we're gonna head back towards the main area where all the cars and trucks and stuff are. Okay. Info on the Vegas show. I have to look it up. Okay, we're heading towards this 49 Ford shoebox. Vietnam vet. Sticker on the window. Okay, it's got a Ford, 347-inch Ford, small block Ford. Blair. 714 area code 3298695. 49 Ford for sales at say how much? $24,500. Or, well, it's got 24.5. Yeah, I think that's probably, it's not 24 bucks, although that's what I used to pay for those shoebox Fords. Michigan looking for some snow today, Joe. Yeah, that's what we're hearing. Okay, 53 Buick. How'd you like to brush those teeth every morning? That grill. Okay. Bill Scott. Shovelhead, that's the top end rocker, or the rocker boxes. Shovelhead Harley, 1966. You're making me think, man. When the Evo come out? 83? 84. So, yeah. Anyways, Shovelhead, Knucklehead, that's a 36 to 47 Harley's called a Knucklehead. They're called that because of the shaped cylinder heads, the rocker boxes, the overhead valve configuration. Pan heads look like a dish pan. 48 to 65. Okay. Okay, I think there's an Olds 442. We'll head over there. It's got parchment interior, pearl white parchment interior. Kind of a cocoa brown metallic. Just a good looking little Oldsmobile. Tijuana. So I just caught the tag into that. Okay, Louise shipped the Mustang. It's on its way, Louise. It'll cross with the Louise is my Timmy Hortons connection for coffee. Okay, 40 Ford Convert coming this way. TJ, yeah, the Olds is clean, TJ. Here's that 40 Ford Convert. We had one of those when I was a kid, not growing up. Kevin Johnson, you're late. Well, Kevin, I think we've been live, darn, man, pretty near for an hour. This will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. And streetrodder.com, hotrod.com, superchevy.com. I've got articles up on all three. Philly, Julio, Philly, how you doing? Austria, Joseph? Okay. Joseph? 41 minutes, Louise says. Okay. I think that's just about it. Head over to the 66 Malibu that pulled in. There's that 41 Ford. This is a Ford in a Ford. Okay, there's a giant rat or something in the back seat. Oh, it's a mouse. It's that mouse that lives in Anaheim. Okay. Julio, good. John, no, not lacking in Mopars. Let me look around and see though. Maybe we are. Larry, thank you. Larry Butler, thank you. Okay, Vern. Best part Sunday morning. Well, thanks, John. Okay, we're going to head into the row. C5 Corvette next to Ken Thurm's 32. Hey, Mike Rowell, Lugnuts, Boston, Massachusetts. We'll get across. I'll cut across in front of this Ford. Okay, that thing's full. That's one way to get your car to sit lower. Fill it full of people. Greg Greer, doing good. Louise, a little scooter. Nah, that's okay. I'm going to stay ambulatory as long as I can. Thank you. Oh, Ronnie, that three-legged cat that we inherited when my neighbor lady passed away, his name is Sydney, but I call him Lucky. Anybody with 3 legs still walking, I call them Lucky. Okay, what do we got? Oh, a Barracuda. There we go. There you go. And Toyota Cressida, anyways, Crusher-bound Toyota. Let's see. Let's get back over the 55. Okay. Terry, 70 Olds Rally. Hi, Tom Hardy, Arkansas. Nothing cuts like an Arkansas. All right. Liberty, New York, 60. Yeah, I love 66 Malibu. All right. Okay. Oh, Plymouth. There we go. 4-door. Bob, you're welcome. Ruben Ramirez, good morning. G. Sierra Lazar. Oh, okay. 22 in Northwest Iowa, Kevin says. 22 degrees. That ain't Celsius, that's Fahrenheit, I believe. Cold in Northern Ontario. Barry Schneider. Yeah, I bet. I wonder if Neil Young's hanging out in Northern Ontario or if he's Malibu. Who knows? Neil's got a 56 Ford Crown Victoria, black and white. I've seen it on a documentary. Okay. All right. Thank you all very much for joining us. StreetRodder.com, HotRod.com, SuperChevy.com. I got articles up on all three. Got to go home and finish some more. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you all very much. Tom, I just missed your question. I'm sorry. Eric Golding. Yes, this is Street Rodder Road Tour car from... What year was this Road Tour car? You remember? What year did we have this for our Road Tour car? The 55? Yeah, no, I know.
That was 5 years ago.
5 years ago? Okay. Where that is, anybody out there that knows mathematics? do some subtraction. Yeah, what year is this? Not 2019 yet, but darn soon. Okay. That didn't work out so good. Okay, Kaz, thank you. Matt Greenwald. Good morning, Matt. We're going. This is going to archive. Nomad. Anthony, this will archive. We went past all the nomads already. So this will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. 2013. Thanks, Fred. This was a 2013. This was a road tour car. Okay. There we go. Shiro Yamamoto, how you doing, man? Okay. Mark Huntley, thanks. Thank you. Brian, happy holidays, man. Okay, Randy Kipp, we'll talk to you later. Randy Kipp's in Central Point, Oregon. He's interior upholstery shop. That's where the seats are going for the 32 Ford. One last request, Impala. Okay. Shit, where is it? I mean, geez, where is it? There's a 59. Okay, well, we went past every car, so just play this back. Get archived. We'll talk to you all later, and again, thank you all very much. Okay. Beautiful D0. Okay, talk to y'all later.